Hi guys, your girl Yammi's at Vineland Premium Outlets, and we're going to go into the Disney Character Warehouse store and let's see if they have any 50th items in there. I just seen somebody with a big bag of lounge flags and I'm like, did you leave anything? They said yes, there's lots in there, so let's hope we have some good stuff in there. Let's go. Okay, Obi, lead the way. You know how to do it. It looks kind of busy here. I got lucky with the parking spot. But yeah, it looks pretty busy in here today. Alright, it's a zero wait. Let's go see what we can find, Obi. Oopsie doopsie. Alrighty. And they have lots of Halloween stuff over here now. They moved everything here. It's all the dog stuff. Oh, let's see. Did the costume go down any, Obi? If it did, $7.99. Nope. I was going to say if it did, we're getting it. $14.99. That's a mug and a plate. So Christmas, they got Christmas shoes in. Pretty much the same. Oh no, these bowls are new. And they're ceramic bowls. And they're $19.99 for a set of 4. Really didn't see anything new in clothing. Okay, I'm really curious to see if there's anything from the 50th, but I'm going to go ahead and just start from one side of the store and go to the other. And so we're over here in the boys, and these pins are $8.99. There are some phone cases for iPhones 8 and 7. Still have toys over here. Oh, no music today, so this is easier to film. Tiana selection. That's apples. That would be, I don't know what that dress is from. Okay. Little girls' clothes, same things. Red dress is new. And there's a couple coats that look new right here.
Like, who was that?
Oh, look at that big fluffy one. $20. Epcot blanket for $20. That's new. Men's clothing, nothing really new. Seeing the Epcot Get Up is still here, but limited sizes, medium for the tank tops. Star Wars rack, nothing new. I skimmed through there, I didn't see anything new. This coat's not new, but they have smalls in them and 2X. Oh, we sitting like a good boy today. Oh, this is a new shirt. Yeah. Okay. Seen this one, Judy Hopps, which you could barely see her, by the way. They needed to put color on that one. 50th jumpsuit still here. That's been here. These are new. This is from Jasmine's collection, I believe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Jasmine. Shoes, trucker hats, $7.99. Okay, those were here last week. Oh, wow. This looks new. Lighter weight sweatpants. I'm not seeing anything 50th yet, so it hasn't piled in. What is this shirt here? Whole new world. Okay, Jasmine collection. $19.99. Oh, that's new. That wasn't here last week. Got some bathing suits. I think I'm going to get them this week. I've been holding off. I think this week I'm going to get them. Oh, do they have these ones instead? Let me see. 3X, small, 3X. What size is this one? 3X. That's too small, I can tell you that much. Extra small. And then you got a 2X. So no my size. There's a Pixar light up tree for $29.99. Oh, I'm gonna have to get a picture of this for Blue. I don't remember seeing this last week. It's a sweatshirt with a map of Disneyland on it. No, this is Disney World. Never mind. Yeah, this is Disney World. I seen land right here and thought it said Disneyland. Got confused. Oh, this is new. $14.99. It's National Geographic. That's not bad. This shirt is new. It's for a cheat day for $12.99. That's cute. Nothing Star Wars. Oh, okay. I get it now. Alright, found the lounge supplies. They have Halloween here. That's it for the backpacks. For $29.99. They still have the carousel bags. They still have the Crocs for $30. This looks like a new hat here. Tomorrowland hat. And they've got some food and wine glasses in, the small ones. And there's some Epcot corksicles. Look at this one is a bottle for $15.99. They've got a cup with moose on it. Okay, right in this box is Sleepy. It's a figurine. I believe they're porcelain. I'm not sure, but can you see it? There, it says Sleepy on it, and he's sitting on one of the carts, one of the mine carts. $14.99. He's heavy. Then you have the Snow White notebook here for $12.99. It's a journal set, a coffee journal. Oh, never mind. Okay, journal set. And then I go ahead and throw it on the floor for $12.99. Oh, blurry now. All right, there we go. It's for $12.99. Snow White scented candle. Oh, that smells good. How much is she? $24.99. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, they got some pirates. Toothpick holders, aka shot glasses, for $4.99. All right, they got the Santa cookie and drink set here. There you go. Up to no good, and then there's a little glass bottle for milk and cookies. Well, you can put blue milk and cookies in this one. All right, look what I found for the Bambi. It's coasters, and they're stone feeling, but there's Bambi and Thumper, and then Flower and Thumper's girlfriend or wife. But I want to say this has got to be some kind of a porcelain. It's really heavy. It's stone. $14.99. All right, let me see a cup. Okay, there's a great big beautiful Tomorrow cup. It's for $9.99. All right, this Epcot stuff. Pretty much the same they had last week. Just the oh no, they don't even have the hats here anymore. So this is Castaway Cay here stuff. Alright, this is not a Mickey Mouse. It is a Minnie Mouse cup for $5.99. There's the Bambi mug. There's been a Thumper one. Now I'm waiting for the Bambi one to come out. That's Bambi. There's Thumper. So flowers should be coming next.
The boys wanted to get her something.
Okay. Extra hot chocolate, shaken, not stirred. That's kind of cute. $7.99 for this mug.
I get it.
Minnie Mouse mug is new. $5.99. We've got a lot of the Mickey plushes. I see Big Thunder Mountain. There's Peter Pan over here. I'm not sure what that one is. Alright, they've got patches still. I'll just skim through the pins. It's getting loud. So I'll just show you what I see. Hand sanitizers, $2.99. Alright, I'm looking to see if I see anything new. I'm not seeing it. There we go. You're out of the way. Yeah, these were here last week too. I think the only one that might be different is the clock. Yeah, maybe the clock. Nothing new there. Star Wars pins, same ones. Well, we are home. It was a rough day. Not at the warehouse, just getting to the warehouse was a rough day. Traffic was really bad today. And then I had just left an eye doctor's appointment. I came home, picked Obi up. We're on the road. We're stuck in traffic. And what does Obi do? He gets sick. He gets sick all over the car. And I'm driving. And there's nothing I could do. I'm like, there was no place I could go. I was just stuck right there. And it's like, crap. Or shoot. Well, crap's fine. Yeah, crap is fine. So I got him. I pulled off to a gas station finally. Was able to get to one. Pulled off there, cleaned him up, cleaned the car up. And it's like, okay, now let's go to the warehouse. So then we go to the warehouse, and we got lucky. A car was just backing out of a spot. Boom, I took it. It was handicapped too, so it worked even better. And then Obi and I went in. And that's where we ended. So the store was busy. Spring break is still going on. And no 50th items yet. Or not any new 50th items. Epcot 40 should be coming in too. So if I get a chance to get to the warehouse this weekend, I would do a special one for you guys. So thank you guys. And ways you can help support the channel is, one, by hitting that like button. Give me the thumbs up, you know. Give me that one. Don't do the thumbs down. Do me a thumbs up. You know, make sure you subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. That's the best way that you can help support this channel. But if you'd like to help, you can do so by going to our Patreon account right now, down on the screen here. And you go there and you can sign up for as low as $5 a month. As always, guys, thank you for being here, and we love you all. Bye.